angry is when you think about how much you sacrificed. What's making you angry is how much you gave up. What's making you angry is how much work you put in and how folk don't appreciate it. But God said, never mind them. Make no mistake about it, because I'm going to give it all back. But I'm going to give it back in an extraordinary manner. He said, shout out. The real truth is I'm angry, and I want to express that I'm angry, but I'm trying to be saved. I'm angry, I'm mad, but I'm going to tell you something. The Bible said be angry, but sin not. You can be angry, scream now,